Hi, how are you? It's Marta in Spanish, and today's video we're going to explain presente continuo. Okay, so presente continuo is used for actions that are happening in the moment of speaking, and we use the verb estar conjugated plus the gerund. Okay, so for example, ahora estoy explicando. Okay, now I'm explaining. Okay, so estoy because it refers to I, yo. So the verb estar can be yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos están. And then you add the gerund of the verb you want to use, okay? So for example, ellos están jugando, they are playing. We can also use the present continuous when we are fed up with a situation. For example, if I say, you're all day long quarreling, okay, or fighting, estáis todo el día discutiendo o riñendo, okay? And there are some verbs in which we can't use it. Some of them are ir and venir. So if I ask you, where are you going? ¿A dónde vas? Okay, no, ¿a dónde estás yendo? Or voy a casa de mi madre. I'm going to my mom's house. Okay? So let me know if you have any doubt. Comment down below and leave me some kind of sentence so that I can correct it for you. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, if you want me to explain anything in particular, just tell me, leave a comment down below, okay? See you in our next one. Bye!